Assalamu alaikum, प्यारे बच्चों. This is 11th class and we are going to read a beautiful poem that is Childhood, written by Mark Sneddon. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? This childhood, this is a stage of innocence in which the child believes others and loves unconditionally. In this poem, poet Mark Sneddon deeply over the question of his childhood and tries to identify some stages of his love and life when his thoughts and perceptions of the world changed. He wonders about the moment where he lost the innocence and realized that the world is not what he seemed it to be, and also discovered the hypocrisy of the people around him. He finally settles down to the idea that his childhood has gone to some forgotten place and is hidden in the face of an infant. The poem describes the first step to maturity or loss of childhood, when one is able to think logically and rationally, forming one's own opinion and not getting influenced by others, is also a sign of maturity or loss. तो इस नज़म में प्यारे बच्चों शायर उस स्टेज को याद करता है, बचपन को, जो एक मासूम उम्र होती है जिसमें बच्चा बिलीव करता है कि हर कोई दूसरा इंसान उससे बगैर किसी गर्ज के मोहब्बत करता है. तो इस नज़म में शायर मार्क स्नेटन ने बड़ी गहराई से सोचा है इस सवाल पे कि जो उसका बचपन है, चाइल्डहुड है, वो तो गुजर गया है, लॉस हो चुका है, और वो आइडेंटिफाई करता है कुछ स्टेज उसकी ज़िंदगी के, जब उसके ख्यालात, जब उसका सोच दुनिया का चेंज हो गया, बदल गया. वो हैरान है इस लम्हे पे जब वो खो जाता है वो इनोसेंस, और रियलाइज़ करता है कि ये जो दुनिया है ये क्या लगती है, जो ये लगती है ये ऐसी नहीं है, बल्कि इस दुनिया में हाइपोक्रेसी है, मुनाफिक लोग हैं उसके इर्द गिर्द. वो फाइनली सेटल डाउन आइडिया करता है कि उसका बचपन वो गुजर गया है किसी फॉरगॉटन प्लेस पे, और उसकी यादें जो यादें हैं, जबकि वो एक छोटा सा इन्फेंट था, मासूम बच्चा था. तो ये नज़म क्या करती है, पोएम डिस्क्राइब करती है फर्स्ट स्टेप मैच्योरिटी, जब इंसान बालेग होता है, जब बचपन की सारी यादें मादूम हो जाती है, लॉस हो जाती है, जब एक शख्स इस चीज़ के मुतहमिल होता है कि वो लॉजिकली सोचे या किसी गर्ज और मतलब के साथ सोचे, जो इंसान की अपनी एक राय होती है, और नॉट गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अदर्स इज आल्सो ए साइन ऑफ मैच्योरिटी और लॉस ऑफ चाइल्डहुड. जब वो दूसरे के ख्याल से, दूसरे की सोच से मुतासिर न हो, तो ये बचपन है. तो सिटीजन नंबर फर्स्ट क्या है, ये मैंने आपको इसका थीम बताया था. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? The poet thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood. He wonders when his childhood came to an end. He reflects that perhaps it was the day when he crossed the age of 11. Maybe it was the stage when he realized that concepts of hell and heaven about which he had been taught since the childhood were imaginary places. They did not exist in reality, as geography textbooks did not provide the location of such places. The poet realized that he might have lost his childhood when he gained his rational outlook due to getting educated. कब मेरा बचपन चला गया, क्या ये वो दिन था जब मैं 11 साल का हुआ, क्या ये वो वक्त था जब मैंने जन्नत और जहन्नम का तस्वुर हासिल कर लिया, जब एक ख्याल मेरा था कि जन्नत और जहन्नम ज़मीन पे तो कहीं दिखते नहीं है, जोग्राफिया में कहीं दिखता नहीं है, और therefore could not be was the day, और लिहाजा ये जन्नत और जहन्नम हो ही नहीं सकते थे. क्या ये वो दिन था? When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all the same too? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day when my childhood go? कब मेरा बचपन चला गया, क्या ये वक्त था जब मुझे ये एहसास हो गया कि वो बुजुर्ग अब वो बुजुर्ग नहीं है जो वो लगते हैं चेहरे से, क्योंकि वो बाहर से कुछ और है, अंदर से कुछ और है. वो मोहब्बत के बारे में बातें करते हैं और पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन हकीकत में वो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. क्या ये वो दिन था? तो when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? कब मेरा बचपन चला गया जब मुझे एहसास हो गया कि मेरा दिमाग बिल्कुल मेरा दिमाग नहीं है. टू यूज विच एवर वे आई चूज, ताकि मैं उसको चूज करूं जो मेरी मर्जी हो. प्रोड्यूसिंग थाट्स दैट वर नॉट दोज ऑफ अदर पीपल, मैं वो ख्याल पैदा करता जो दूसरे लोगों के मेरे दिमाग में डाले हुए नहीं है, बट माई ओन, जो ख्याल मेरे सिर्फ अपने हों. एंड माइन एलोन वाज दैट द डेज, और सिर्फ मेरे अपने हो. क्या ये वो दिन थे? तो स्टेंजा मैं आपको रिपीट करता हूं अंग्रेजी में. द पोएट रिफ्लेक्ट्स दैट द लॉस ऑफ चाइल्डहुड माइट हैव occurred when he was able to see through the hypocrisy of adults. The people followed double standards, actually following and preaching different standards of behavior. They sermonized to the point about being loving and caring, however, they themselves were argumentative, violent, and discourteous. The behavior was far cry from the love they advocated. To reverently to the child, perhaps recognize the double-faced reality of the adults which broke disappearing in the childhood. Stanza number 3, when my childhood had gone, when my childhood go, was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of the other people but of my own, and mine alone was the day. Where did my childhood go? Where did my childhood go? Stanza 4. मेरा वो बचपन कहाँ चला गया? It went to some forgotten place. ये किसी नामालूम भूली हुई जगह पे चला गया है. That is hidden in an infant's face. That is all I know. जो किसी मासूम बच्चे के चेहरे में पिन्हा है, ये सब है वो जो मैं जानता हूँ. In this stanza, poet changes his question and now wonders where his childhood has gone. He concludes that it has gone to unremembered place and will never come back. He cherished his innocence, which has vanished now and can only be seen in the innocent face of an infant. Infant एक छोटा सा पैदा हुआ बच्चा जो अभी मासूम है. Who does not have any pretensions and rationality, and who trusts others unconditionally. In other words, a small child is full of innocence, and one can find one's own childhood by looking at its face, by looking at its face. ये थर्ड स्टंजा है. When did, दोबारा समझाता हूं मैं. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of the other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? The poet here wonders that am I this really the childhood of mine which he has realized, the poet deliberates on the same question about when he actually lost his childhood and asks himself about various possibilities. He tries to guess that perhaps it was the day when he realized that his mind could think independently, enabling him to produce his own thoughts for his own opinions and take his own decisions. He gained a sense of individuality which set him free from the preconceived opinions of others. His own individual opinions and experience shaped his thoughts and personality. Here realized that this might have been the time when he lost his childhood innocence completely. Okay, dear students.